Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
I am quite an impatient person. I suppose I developed my impatience from my parents. When I was small, my parents would often shout at me if I was slow at something. For example, it often took me 20 minutes just to clean the vegetables before I cooked. For my mom, it was a lot of time, so she would often shout at me. That is why I need to get things done fast. Now my impatience affects me in many ways. I work as a private tutor, and sometimes I find myself getting impatient with my students when they are slow at completing their exercises. I think I should correct this personality trait of mine because not only is it affecting me by giving me negative feelings, but also affects my students. I don't want my students to feel they are nothing because of my impatience.